In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Lightbox in Wix. Let's jump right in and get started. First and foremost, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. I'm assuming most of you have already done this, so we can swiftly move on to the next step. If you have multiple sites listed under your Wix account, be sure to select the specific one where you're looking to integrate the Lightbox. This will smoothly take you to the dashboard of that selected site. Once you find yourself on the dashboard, your next course of action is to click on Design Site. Bear in mind that it might take a moment for your site editor to load completely, so be a little patient here. While it's loading, take a moment to contemplate what type of Lightbox will work best for your website's needs. In this video, I'll walk you through the process using an example from my site, and you'll notice just how easily customizable it can be to fit your needs. As soon as your site editor is fully loaded, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen and select the plus icon. This step is crucial as this icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Once you click on it, navigate to the interactive section where you will find Lightboxes. There you can explore options like welcome, subscribe, promotion, or contact Lightboxes. Each type serves a different function and could be an excellent tool to improve engagement and make your site appear more dynamic. Now for this demonstration, I've already selected a Lightbox to save a bit on time, but don't hesitate to choose a Lightbox type or design that resonates best with your site's theme or purpose. Take a few moments to explore the diverse range of options. Wix indeed provides many great designs from which to choose. Once your Lightbox is added to your site, several customization options will become available to you. These are absolutely crucial in tailoring the Lightbox to suit your specific vision and functional needs. You have the provision to manage the Lightboxes, setting triggers to determine the conditions under which the Lightbox should appear. Adjusting the settings and layout offers even more control, allowing you ample flexibility to tailor it to your liking. Play around with the horizontal and vertical offsets. Doing so will help you position your Lightbox exactly where you want it on the screen. For a bit more flair, you can even add animations to your Lightbox. Wix makes this very intuitive, so feel free to explore the various animations available to make your Lightbox pop. Customize its design to align perfectly with your brand aesthetic or personal style because ultimately the goal is to make your website as unique and viewer-friendly as possible. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to add and customize a Lightbox on your Wix site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. It truly assists the channel and ensures you won't miss any of our future content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.